What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Hey, man, this the real deal right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I did a video earlier about this Binanex, whatever you want to call it, so you can get the coins. So you can just jump in, make a deposit, get the token, get the jump on it. Because this thing is flying, boy. You hear me? It ain't even got out to everybody yet, but it is flying. So the first thing you do when you come, you're gonna it's gonna set up your wallet. So come over here to MetaMask, connect. You know how to do all that. Then you know you connected because your wallet will be right here. Next thing you do, make a deposit. You click make a deposit, put in however much you want. I put in 10 BNB, you can put in 1, you can put in 0.5, you can put in 20, whatever you want to do. That's beside the point. You make a deposit, right? Boom, you're gonna get tokens. Hold on, let me people are going great. So far, so good. Compounding like BNB Capital. Yeah, just like BNB Capital, man. Well, I hope we do that, but that BCL, remember BCL went from 13 cents to $1.37. So if this do anything like that, bro. Now look, when you make your deposit, you're gonna get coins. You get a couple of places you can go, right? But let me show you how the platform works. Well, this thing already got 375. Good God. Oh, but it's like, boy, I'm trying to tell you. Now look, this is how it works. When you make a deposit, you get 3% every day on your deposit. So I'm getting 3% on my 10 BNB every day. Period, point blank. If I don't do nothing else. You understand? Everybody understand that. Now, after that, you get 0.1 for each 100 BNB that come in the contract after you. So if you get in there, like it's what, 300 BNB in there? So whoever got in earlier, you got what, 0.1, 0.2. So you got a 0.2 because it's 200 more BNB that got in the contract. So you got a 0.2% gain every day. Man, what you talking about? Hey, I'll get to you in a minute, homeboy. But every day just for being in the contract early. Just for being in the contract early. Now you get another 0.1 just for not withdrawing. Just for not withdrawing. What do you want, man? Hold on. You can imagine I get a ton of messages every day. But anyway, man, hey, like I said, you get that 0.1% just for holding and not withdrawing. And you get another 0.1% for 10 BNB that you personally deposit. So I deposit 10 BNB just to get that 0.1 every day. That 0.1, but hey, what? That's money. That's passive income. But anyway, man, so and this is about the staking. I'm gonna get to the staking in a minute, because that's where people getting hung up at, is on the staking. So when you make your investment, you can come to statistics and to show you everything that you got going on, right? So is mine available for withdrawal? I ain't got that much yet. But see, I got tokens. I bought some more tokens on the exchange. You know what I'm saying? For that price appreciation. Can't stake everything, you know. Hey, that's my strategy. You do what you do. I got some staking and I bought some on the exchange. You know what I'm saying? I support the platform all the way around. If I'm gonna be in it, I'm gonna support it. So I bought some tokens on Pancakeswap, which makes the price go up for y'all. And I got some liquidity. So when you know how liquidity works. When you how that works. So now let's go to staking. So as you can see that right now, let's see where we at. Oh, if people want to know here you go. Go to staking right here. You go down, click liquidity. If you want to know the address to get the token, this is where I do it. Just click this right here. Go to Pancakeswap. See that number right now? Right there. Copy that number right there. This is important. Some people, new people, don't know how to do it. Copy that number. Copy. Come right here to select currency. Paste. I already added it, but paste that number in. The token will come up. Bam. And then you click add, and it will always be in your wallet, so you ain't got to keep doing it. You see? Easy. See how Binanex? Click add, and it'll be in your wallet. You know what I'm saying? So do that again. Click create liquidity. Come to Pancakeswap. Click that. Copy that address. Paste it, and it'll be right there. See? Your boy trying to teach you something. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, if you want to create liquidity, let's say if I want to earn more by creating liquidity, which I already have. See, I got 18 liquidity pool tokens right now, and I'm earning on that. You know what I'm saying? But let's say you want to do it. You got whatever this amount is. You ain't got to put all of it. You can put some of it. Say I want to put 1,000. I put 1,000. I'm going to have to top that off. I'm going to have to add 0.3 BNB with that and click confirm. That's adding liquidity. If I want to do all of it, I will do 14000. That'll be 5 BNB. That's pretty good. I might have to do that. But that's almost 0.1 of the pool share. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, and look at that. The price still going up. I think 16 cents. I think it started, what, 10 cents? This is, what, day one, hour one. It ain't even been out an hour. Like, so, I don't know what you want me to say. The price is up 300%. Now, I don't think, man, it's still risky. And I ain't even got to the Hays audit. You know they got the Hays audit, man. You already, if I'm talking about it, they got the Hays audit. You should know that by now. So you shouldn't even have to ask. Yes, they do have the Hays audit. So that's pretty much it, man. You want, like I say, go to your statistics if you want to see what your daily is. That's my daily yield right there. I get the 3%, but I got, you know what I'm saying, these other folks. Yep, see how they add up? I put 10 BNB, that's plus one and all that, man. Hey, but these numbers add up too. So that's that. Then you click staking. It'll take out what you got to do here. You can just get the coin. You can stake it and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Anyway, man, we'll keep it moving because we have other stuff to talk about too. Pancakeswap. Boy, this thing is booming. Up to $20. This is crazy. $600. Man, look here. I have created. Let me see something. I want to get the numbers right. I'm gonna show you something. Hold on. All right, so it's been about 24 hours since I last made a withdrawal. So that's $600 a day I make, right? Let me show you something. 600 times 365. Crypto pay every day, baby. Saturday and Sunday. That's $219,000. I have created myself a passive income of $219,000 a year from nothing but just taking. Y'all seen me do it. $219,000 from nothing, from thin air. All I did was take a few BNB, put them in some of these risky platforms, take them out, and that ain't even counting what I do on B dollar. I ain't even got the B dollar. This is just what I do with Pancakeswap. I'm making it simple. The safest, simple way to do it. You know what I'm saying? All I do is come to the farm. Y'all see me do it every video. Like I go around, collect my little BNB, whether it's from BNB Hives or BNB Yield or BNB Plus or FOMO Stake. It ain't out no more. You know what I'm saying? That's why we replace these things with new stuff like Binanex. They go, they come. They come, they go. It doesn't matter the platform. They all the same. They're going to be here. They're going to be gone. Get your BNB. Bring it over here. See that? I earned 278% a year. You see how I earned that? That's where I'm getting it from. You just come right here. You just add. Look, I'm over 2,000. I remember when I was showing you. Go back and look at my video. I was like 315. I just be add. 80 here. 60 there. 72. 50. It doesn't matter. Y'all be like, man, well, I ain't got but a couple of BNB. It doesn't matter. Split that one BNB up and create you a passive income. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to say it over and over again until you get it. And all I do, this is what I do. See that? I take that. All right? Show you something. Show you something right quick. Show you. Show you. Watch this. Watch this. Do like a preacher. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Touch your neighbor and say, watch this. We got the confirmations. Now, I don't take that out. What I do with that, look, take that and bring it over here to the pool. I got more BNB right here. See that? I'm creating my own faucet. Creating my own faucet along with the price appreciation. You see that? I'm gonna take my earnings from Binanex, and bring it right over here. That's what I'm gonna do. You gonna watch me do it. You see that? That's 493 Pancakeswap. How many is that? How much is that? See, I like to give you numbers. I don't just be talking. I show it to you. You like, man, where I go? You go to the farm. Get your liquidity pool tokens and stake them. That's what you do. So let's see how much cake that is. 493. Come on here, man. Populate. Let's see. But I ain't got the Polaris. I ain't even got talked about uranium. They little snafu. I'm gonna do another video, man. But I'm gonna get to all that. I'm gonna get to it. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's 24 BNB, man. Free. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just creating my own faucet. Some of y'all doing like, man, I can't believe that. Wow. And it's working. I know it worked. I'm a BUSD. I ain't got BUSD. Oh, that is right there. I'm tripping. You see it. But that's $10,000. That's $10,000 for free. That's just now. It adds up every day. Every day. I ain't even got to Polaris. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to none of my other stuff, man. And it's still $50. I'm doing the same thing over here. I'm just taking my earnings I get over here and put them in this Polaris pool and getting money over here too. That's all I do. So I got almost 10 already. That's almost $500 for free. Bro, ain't nobody teaching you like me, man. Nobody. But anyway, this is the corner of the day right here, man. Binanex platform of the day, baby. We doing it. Come here, make your deposit. Like, come over here, get your staking going on, man. Hey, man, money being made. You in or you out? Link is in the description. Come to the Telegram. You got any questions? Go to their Telegram. I always go to their Telegram. It's right here. Go to their Telegram right here. Go to the Telegram. Go to the Twitter. Discord. Ask them. Don't ask me because I don't care. Holla at your boy.